Hi, happy Vlogmas. I don't know what day it is. It's so hard to keep track now that we're like in the middle of it all. So as you probably saw in my other vlogs, we just got slammed with like 3 to 4 feet of snow here where I live. Like, it was absolutely insane playing in it. So I got a fun day at the park with Stanley and my friends and their dog, and a really awesome ski day, and now I'm back home, and I'm pretty sure the roads are clear enough for me to take my Jeep out, so I'm going to go run some errands here in Tahoe, specifically Truckee. The post offices, the post offices have literally been closed. Like, they're so short-staffed. I've never even known that that's possible or allowed for post offices to be consistently shut down when they're not supposed to be. And I have like 6 packages coming before this road trip we're leaving on Friday. So I'm probably going to be out stalking delivery drivers because I can't pick up my packages at the post office most of the time that I go. So I'm going to try to go to both post offices, and then if not, I'm going to wait around and try to find delivery trucks. And see how that goes, because I really don't know what else to do. I'm really hoping I can get all these packages. I have like a power generator, solar power system and generator coming in for our trip, and not as important, but like a coffee advent calendar that was supposed to be here on like December 1st. I was so excited to do that for Vlogmas. Anyways, for fun things today, I am going to go to aerial yoga with my friend Sarah. Aerial yoga is one of my favorite things to do ever. It feels so good on your back. It's so deep, like it just decompresses your spine and your hips, and oh, it feels amazing, especially when you're skiing and doing all these active things. So I'm going to be doing aerial yoga later, and then we are also going to go Christmas shopping downtown in Truckee, and the lights are just spectacular. Alright, I have gotten some closure on some of my packages. Some of them should be delivered later today. One of them was found and has to be delivered to the right post office. And I did get one package. They're my cowgirl boots, which is exciting too. But yeah, I have some downtime before going to yoga and then Christmas shopping afterwards. So I'm just going to browse around probably a little bit and walk and train Stanley downtown, and then also go to a coffee shop and do some work because I have a lot of emails to catch up on and I have to do some drafting for content. That way I just have some stuff saved and like ready to go, because I think as a creator that's really important. I'm very stressed, like I'm just very busy right now, so I think if I just tackle that, I'll feel a lot better. That way for the days to come as I'm prepping for my trip, everything's kind of ready to post. I don't have to worry about filming anything. So I'm gonna go to one of my favorite coffee shops with Stanley, and yeah. In the truck and get some, you know, groceries for this road trip. And oh my god, it's happening so soon. I'm like, I feel so ill prepared, even though I've been planning this for literally forever. But yeah, so I'm gonna get some groceries from Trader Joe's and then go to Target and get some like toiletries, just, you know, some last minute things that we might need for the trip. And oh my god, that only leaves me for one more full day at my house. Come along and do some errands with me. And yeah, I'm today and tomorrow just prepping for this road trip. Friday we're leaving. On the last day that I'm here, I'm gonna be doing a little cold plunge with my friends, which I'm really excited about. But other than that, it's go time. All right, I am off to Target for my last stop, and then I'm going to a camper to try to pack it up. I'd say I'll be like 80% done packing tonight. Mess.
That would be fucking hilarious.
Ooh. We have a Stanley mode. Stanley doesn't know how you feel about it. Stanley mode. Is it too much?
It's already too much. Because you won't see light coming out.